Hey guys, did you know that car insurance rates have gone up by 18.6% in just 1 year? That's a huge jump. But don't worry, I've got some insider tips to help you beat those rising costs. Stick around to learn how you can save up to 50% on your premiums with some smart moves. Now, you might be wondering, Keith, why are my rates going through the roof? Well, it's not just you. Everyone's feeling the pinch, and there are a few big reasons why. First off, car repairs are getting more expensive. Then we've got more car thefts happening. And let's not forget about all those crazy weather events messing things up. But here's the thing. There's a way to outsmart these rising rates, and it might be easier than you think. I'm going to show you how to potentially save up to half on your premiums. Pretty sweet, right? Let's break down 5 smart moves that can help you beat those skyrocketing insurance costs. Trust me, you're going to want to hear this. Alright, let's talk about the biggest mistake most drivers make when it comes to their car insurance. It's costing them big time, and chances are, you might be making it too. Want to know what it is and how to fix it? It's simple. Not shopping around for better rates. Here's a mind-blowing fact. Nearly half of all drivers didn't even bother to look for new car insurance in the past year. That's right. 49% of folks are just sticking with what they've got. No questions asked. But here's the kicker. They're probably leaving a ton of money on the table. Think about it. Car insurance rates are going up, but if you're not looking around, how do you know you're getting the best deal? It's like going to the first store, you see, and buying whatever they're selling without checking if it's cheaper somewhere else. That's not how you save money, right? So let's talk about how to fix this. First things first, you've got to get out there and start comparing. I'm talking about getting quotes from at least 2 different insurance companies. It might sound like a hassle, but trust me, it's worth it. You could end up saving a good chunk of change. Give my agency a call. As an independent agent, we write with several reputable companies and always have our finger on the pulse of who's offering the best deals and when they are offering them. Here's the really exciting part. When people actually take the time to switch insurers, they're saving some serious cash. We're talking about 26% of drivers saving 10% on their new policy. Even better, 29% of folks who switched ended up saving 15%. That's not chump change, especially when you consider how much we're all paying for insurance these days. So here's your homework. Get out there and start comparing. Remember, at least 2 different quotes. It won't take much time at all, but it could save you a lot of money. And who doesn't want more money in their pocket, right? Now, while you're out there comparing quotes, here's something else to consider. Are you taking advantage of every discount you're eligible for? Many drivers are shocked to learn they're overpaying simply because they didn't know about certain discounts. How much could you be saving? Let's talk about these hidden gems that could seriously lower your premiums. Insurance companies offer a whole bunch of discounts, but they're not always upfront about them. It's like a secret menu at your favorite restaurant. You've got to know what to ask for. First up, let's talk about bundling. If you've got your home and auto insurance with different companies, you might be missing out on some major savings. Bundling these policies together can save you anywhere from 15 to 25% on your premiums. That's a pretty sweet deal, right? We bundle through Germania and Travelers. When you call us, we can give you the status of those companies. But wait, there's more. Are you a safe driver? Of course you are. Well, that could save you up to 25% on your premiums. Insurance companies love safe drivers because they're less likely to file claims. So if you've got a clean driving record, make sure you're getting rewarded for it. The companies we write with automatically add good driver discounts when we run your insurance reports. Now here's a discount that a lot of people don't know about. Affiliations. Are you a member of AARP or AAA? These organizations often have partnerships with insurance companies that can lead to some nice discounts. It's worth checking out if you're a member of any professional organizations or alumni groups too. Alright, let's talk about something that might seem a bit counterintuitive at first. Raising your deductible. Now, I know what you're thinking, Keith. Why would I want to pay more if I have an accident? Well, here's the deal. Raising your deductible from $500 to $1,000 could save you up to 40% on your premiums. That's huge. But keep in mind, this means you'll be on the hook for more if you do have to file a claim. It's all about balancing the risk with the reward. So, what's the game plan here? First things first, call up your insurance agent and ask them to go through every single discount you might be eligible for. Don't be shy. Ask about safe driver discounts, multi-policy discounts, affiliation discounts, the works. You might be surprised at what you qualify for. Just a side note. If calling my agency, we do all of this automatically without being asked. And when it comes to that deductible, take a good, hard look at your finances. If you've got some savings set aside and you're comfortable with a higher out-of-pocket cost in case of an accident, raising your deductible could save you a bundle in the long run. Remember, insurance companies aren't always going to volunteer this information. It's up to you to ask the right questions and make sure you're getting every discount you deserve. Don't leave money on the table just because you didn't know to ask for it. Now, speaking of leaving money on the table, what if your driving habits could actually put cash back in your pocket? There's a new trend in car insurance that's turning good drivers into smart savers. And the best part? Your car does all the work for you. Let's talk about something called usage-based insurance, or UBI for short. It's a game changer that's shaking up the insurance world. The idea is simple. Your insurance premiums are based on how you actually drive, not just on general statistics. Progressive's Snapshot R program is a great example of this. Here's how it works. You install a small device in your car or use a mobile app that tracks things like your speed, braking habits, and when you're on the road. It's like having a little insurance detective riding shotgun with you. Now you might be thinking, Keith, that sounds a bit creepy. Do I really want my insurance company knowing everything about my driving? I get it. Privacy is a big concern. But here's the thing. Insurance companies aren't using this data to spy on you or penalize you. They're using it to reward safe driving. And the rewards can be pretty sweet. Some drivers are seeing their premiums cut by up to 50% with these programs. That's right, half off your insurance bill just for being a good driver. Not too shabby, right? Of course, it's not guaranteed. Progressive says if you drive very little and you avoid dangerous habits like turning and braking quickly, you might be rewarded with a lower rate through UBI. However, not every driver who tries UBI is guaranteed a reward, but if you're confident in your driving skills, it's definitely worth a shot. So how do you get in on this? It's pretty simple. If you're with Progressive, you can sign up for their Snapshot RR program. Other companies like Travelers have similar options. You'll either need to install a device in your car or download an app to your phone. Then just drive like you normally would. To maximize your benefits, focus on safe driving habits. Avoid hard braking, don't speed, and try to drive during safer times of the day when possible. These little changes can add up to big savings. All right, let's talk about some smart moves for long-term savings on your car insurance. We've covered a lot of ground, but there's still more you can do to keep those premiums down. First up, think about the car you're driving. Insurance-friendly vehicles with good safety ratings and lower theft rates can save you big bucks. And of course, keeping a clean driving record is always a win. If you're not hitting the road much, look into pay-per-mile insurance. It's perfect for folks driving less than 10,000 miles a year. You pay a flat fee plus a per-mile rate, which can really add up to savings. Here's a pro tip. Set a reminder to shop around every 6 to 12 months. The insurance market is always changing, and so are your needs. Don't let good deals pass you by.